Learn color theory the easiest way, affordable, simple, and step by step. Don't skip and let's create perfect custom shades. I'm starting with this beautiful deep shade from the Insight Pro palette. This is the original shade I'll be working with today. What I'm doing here is creating custom shades by mixing this one base color with other pigments. This process is called color theory and it's super useful if you want to create unique concealer shades for different skin tones. For the second shade, I have added a bit of yellow. This lightens the original shade while keeping it warm and rich, perfect for medium undertones. For the next shade, I have added more yellow. You can see how the color gets brighter and more vibrant. This technique is great if you need a warmer, lighter concealer. Now I'm switching to a white concealer to lighten the shade even further. Here is where we create those fairer tones step by step. For each 5th, 6th and 7th shade, by adding a little more white each time, you can see the shades gradually transitioning to a lighter tone. This method gives you a complete control over the exact shade you want. Now here is a tip for beginners. Always make small amount at a time and test on your skin to make sure it matches perfectly. This way you avoid wasting the product. This technique is not only budget friendly but also super effective. You can create multiple shades from just one product, saving money while customizing the perfect tones for every skin need. And here are the final shades, starting from the darkest to the lightest. This is a fun way to customize concealers for every skin tone using just one base shade. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and share for more tips like this.